So today we'll be unboxing the Apple iPhone XS Smart Battery Case. What's up guys, I'm Benji from BenObi Tech and welcome back to another video. So I've just received a package from Apple, which I actually ordered yesterday and was meant to arrive tomorrow, but it arrived today. So next day delivery. Thank you, Apple. That was awesome. I did pay quite a bit for this, so I hope this is going to be a good case. I've heard good things about it. I've heard bad things about it as well, but the main reason why I got this was because of the software integration. It has wireless charging, which I absolutely love wireless charging. Like I have a charging dock right here, as you can see. Well, you can't really see because it's out of frame, but as you can see, I've got a wireless charging stand here, which I've got on my desk, which honestly is really cool, and I can just have my phone charging while I'm here at my desk and stuff. Let's go ahead here and open this packaging. There's so many different warnings here, like saying surface transportation only. This was made in China. Let's go ahead here and open this thing up. We probably won't need the knife anymore. And then it comes, oh, that's pretty nice. And I've got an iPhone X, and that's the reason why I got this case, was because the battery life on the iPhone X isn't that great anymore, and I needed something to increase it. I wanted something that had wireless charging as well. So this ticked all the boxes. Yes, I could have gone with the Mophie juice pack, which is like $30 cheaper or something, but I wanted something with software integration and that was gonna be more durable, because the Mophie ones, I've had Mophie cases in the past, or at least my parents have, and they break very easily because they're just plastic. Oh wow, this thing's heavy. Okay, it's heavier than I thought. So we don't need the box anymore. Here we go, the iPhone XS Smart Battery Case. I really hope it works with my iPhone X. If it doesn't, I'll have to send this back because I mainly got this for the iPhone X, not the XS. So I guess I'll be reviewing this with the iPhone X in mind, which I think is pretty good because I guess a lot of people are searching for videos about the iPhone XS Smart Battery Case, if it works with the 10 and whatnot. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so I really like the packaging. It's all Apple-esque, all white, just like Johnny Ive likes it. We've also got this pull tab here, which we will do an ASMR type thing for it. Okay, yeah, that did absolutely nothing. Okay, so let's go ahead. Oh, this slides out. Ooh, that white silicone. That is nice and white. I love that slide out box thing. It looks better in person, I must say. It looks way better in person. It doesn't look as thick as well. Okay, I thought this was gonna be like way heavier and way thicker. This thing's actually pretty light. Wait, we need to put my phone in it first. But we have a bit of paperwork here. It shows like how to put it in the case. We take this out. We have this that shows how to put it in the case. We have some paperwork. No Apple stickers. Why did they just put a random white piece of paper in here? This could have been Apple stickers. Apple! I think this is probably one of the only Apple products that doesn't include stickers. In fact, I'm kind of salty, Apple. Okay, so it feels very nice, actually. It feels nicer than what I thought. Something I love about the Apple Smart Battery cases is that they're so minimal. Like, there's no extra buttons anywhere. That's something that I don't like about the Mophie cases. They've got like a button and they've got weird bright lights on the back. Of course, there is one small LED indicator in the case, but that's not really intrusive at all or anything. So let me unlock my iPhone here and then put this thing in. I think it just slides in. Oh, that's nice. Okay, please work. Does it work? Hello? Why is this thing not working? Why doesn't it work? That is really weird. Okay, let's try this again. It slides in just like that. Huh. That's weird. Why is it not working? Oh, there we go. It's charging. And Apple Smart Battery Case. Oh, it's on 0%. That's crazy. Look at that. 0%. That is 0% on an Apple product when you first get it is quite a lot. Man, I love the look of this. This contrasts really well with the space gray. The reason why I went with the white one, yes, it may get dirtier a lot easier, but it looks so good with the space gray iPhone X. By the way, I'm on iOS 12.1.1 on this iPhone X because I'm waiting to jailbreak, and I'll get into that in another video. It looks good. I mean, it is chunky. You can tell there's quite a big of a bump here, but honestly, it doesn't really add that much weight. Like, I thought this was going to be really heavy. Actually, let me see how this goes in my pocket to see if I have any issues. Okay, it's a little heavy, I must say, but pretty easy to put in my pocket and take out. I guess it is. No, not really. Let's test the wireless charging here. Let's see. Oh, it works perfectly with my charging stand as well. It's already getting dirty. I need to find a way to clean this, and I might make a video on how to clean this, because this does seem like it gets really dirty really easily, because it's silicone, but it's like very nice quality silicone. I love the feel of it. I wonder how fast this will charge though. Like, does it have 7.5 watt charging just like the iPhone 10? Because if it does, it'll take like twice as long to charge my phone if the battery case is dead as well. But yeah, I'm excited to try out this case, and of course I will be reviewing it probably in the next few days. I just want to test it out for like a couple days or a week, just to see how well this performs, like how well the battery life is, and like how good the battery life is. And I want to just like not charge it until the battery case dies and all that kind of stuff. So I think it's worth the money. Like, I just love the look of it. I don't know why people hate on this. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I don't really do unboxings, but you guys asked for this unboxing, so I brought you guys the Apple Smart Battery Case unboxing. I think I'm gonna hate cleaning this thing. Anyway, guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And of course, if you're new around here and you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You can get to my videos early and you won't miss an upload. If you guys want to help support the channel, you can go ahead and get yourself some merch. The link is in the description below, or head over to BenObi.shop. And if you're not into merch, then you can support me on Patreon or PayPal. The links will be in the description below for those as well. I may also drop a link to the smart battery case in the description below. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm Benji from BenObi Tech, and I'll catch you guys in the very next video.